Hey guys! So today I'm gonna do a little tutorial about one of the hardest parts I had to conquer of the part 4. We're just gonna start off by doing a downtown. So we're gonna get our downtown on. So remember, we've got our slide. Once we're comfortable with this, we can start thinking about the continuation, which is this. So we go 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, back, back. So it's like a double cross, back, back, over, behind, out. Back, back, over, behind, kick out. Back, back, over, behind, kick out. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here we go. So double cross, turn to the side, do a downtown, double cross, turn, downtown, back. Double cross, turn, downtown, back. Double cross, turn, downtown. There you go. So I'm going to go slow. Continuation. There you go. Behind, over, back, out. Over. Thanks guys, have a good one, keep skating.